Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be exploring a really exciting topic: how to create your own song using AI. The first step for creating your own song is to generate lyrics. For this, we are going to use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to write song lyrics and give some theme or category. Now ChatGPT is generating lyrics. You can also give some keywords and as to generate song lyrics based on that. Now our lyrics are generated. For step 2, we have to go to voicemod.net and create our free account. After that, go to voice mode text to song. Select the one you like.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
I am selecting this one. Now select your singer.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
I am selecting this one. The next step is copying the lyrics and pasting them here. Now click here, and after some time our song will be created.
Every time I look into your eyes, I feel like I'm floating in the skies. Your love is the sweetest thing I've known, and with you my heart has grown.
Click the download button to download the song. There is a word limit for the lyrics, so we have to repeat this process.
Cause baby, you're the one for me. Together we'll make our dreams come true. Our love is like a symphony, a melody that's always new.
Now you can click the download button to download the song. I have generated the rest of the song and merged it into one video file. Here is the full song.
Every time I see your face, my heart begins to race. I can feel the butterflies every moment, every place. Every time I look into your eyes, I feel like I'm floating in the skies. Your love is the sweetest thing I've known. Cause baby, you're the one for me. Together we'll make our dreams come true. Our love is like a symphony. I never believed in love at first sight, but you changed my mind. You're my delight. You make me happy. You make me whole. I'm grateful to have you in my soul. Cause baby, you're the one for me. Together we'll make our dreams come true. Our love is like a symphony, a melody that's always new. I'll love you more with every passing day, forever and always, come what may.